In this video, you learn how you can add a border to an endless honeycomb pattern. This is the endless honeycomb pattern that was made in another video. First, create a new sketch in the Part Design workbench and select this top plane to sketch on. Click on the eye icon next to Binder to make it visible. Then select the Create External Geometry button and click on the top and bottom lines to project it inside this new sketch. Now select the Rectangle tool. Click on the upper left vertex and drag the mouse, then click on the lower right vertex to create the rectangle. Click the right mouse button to exit the Rectangle tool. Now click on all the 4 lines to select them. And select the Offset Geometry tool. Select Intersection to create sharp corners. Check the Add Offset Constraint button. Enter -5 and press Enter to add the offset 5 mm to the inside. You can change the offset dimension later. Click on Close to exit this sketch. Select the Pad feature to extrude the sketch. For the type, choose Up to Face. Then click on the bottom face to select it. The extrusion will now only go as far as the bottom face of the part. Click on OK to apply and wait for the very short break before the video continues. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. Click on the eye icon next to Binder to make it invisible. Then click on the small arrow next to Pad to expand the first extrusion of the model. Double-click on its sketch to edit it. Let's change the dimensions of the rectangle. Click on Close to exit the sketch. Thanks to the binder, the size of the border will always be the same as the model itself. Let's undo and redo a few times to see how the model changes. So this is one method to add a border to an endless honeycomb pattern. You might also want to check out my 3D printing channel. See you there.